Sadly, the great Tusker Ndlovane is dead. His carcass was found on the 15th of October 2020 by the Mooiplaas field rangers in the Mahlangene section. Nkuna, the ranger at Mooiplaas, reported the death immediately as the bull was being monitored due to his poor condition and localized range towards the end of 2019. The carcass was inspected and the cause of death confirmed as natural. It would appear after heavy rain that week, Ndlovane attempted to walk down a steep embankment into the Tsendze river in the direction of the confluence when he slipped and was unable to stand up again. It is suspected his heart gave in not long after he fell, as there was limited struggle visible, indicating he did not try to get up for long. The question of age is difficult. A visit to the carcass confirmed, when looking on the mouth, what was suspected in 2015-16, when he lost condition very rapidly, that he had a dental issue that prevented him from chewing effectively, and it caused his early demise. It is estimated that he was in the region of 46 to 48 years of age.
The name Ndlovane, meaning small elephant, has been given to this bull, not for his size, but for his young age and great potential to develop into a future great tusker. His range is the northern Kruger National Park. This footage was shot at the Mooiplaas waterhole close to Mopani Rest Camp in June 2018. The first sighting of this bull was by Elise Olivier in 2012, and then Mark Moon in 2013, and then detailed images of this bull was submitted by Kruger National Park staff member Nkuna in 2014. Sightings of this bull increased dramatically in 2014 up to 2016, leading to the decision to name him and confirm his status as an big tusker.